Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that's revolutionizing the way we care for our teeth, the Oral-B iO Series 10 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. This is not just your ordinary toothbrush. It's packed with advanced technology designed to take your oral care routine to the next level. Let's break it down and see if it lives up to all the hype. The Oral-B iO Series 10 combines cutting-edge features like real-time pressure guidance, a 2-minute timer, and 7 different cleaning modes. It's all about precision and performance, with a design that promises not only to clean, but also to protect your gums. But what makes this model stand out from other electric toothbrushes? Let's explore its main features. First up, we've got its advanced technology. The iO Series 10 offers 100% more plaque removal in just 1 week compared to a manual brush. This is a significant improvement, especially when you're targeting plaque along the gum line, where it often gets tricky. The round brush head is dentist-inspired, designed to tackle surface stains from day one and leave you with visibly whiter teeth. One of the key features here is the iO Sense technology, which provides real-time guidance on your brushing habits. It helps you monitor time, coverage, and pressure, all through the charger. No need to constantly open the Oral-B app, it's that convenient. This level of customization ensures that you're brushing with the right pressure, avoiding overbrushing or underbrushing, which can both lead to oral issues. Speaking of pressure, the iO pressure sensor is an absolute game changer. If you apply too much pressure, it will signal to reduce it, helping you avoid unnecessary wear on your gums. If you're brushing too lightly, it'll let you know that too, ensuring you're getting the most effective clean possible. In terms of usability, this toothbrush is designed for convenience. It comes with a charging travel case and a 3-hour fast charger, so you can take it on the go with ease. Whether you're traveling for work or vacation, the battery level is clearly displayed, and you'll never be left wondering if it's time for a recharge. Let's talk about the real-world experience. I've been using this toothbrush for a few weeks now, and it's a real treat. The bristles are gentle but effective, and I noticed a significant difference in how clean my teeth feel compared to my old manual brush. The brushing modes are versatile. There's one for gum care, another for whitening, and even one for sensitive teeth, so you can tailor the experience based on your needs. However, while the performance is excellent, there are a few things worth mentioning. The size of the toothbrush is slightly larger than I expected, which might be a consideration if you have smaller hands or prefer a more compact design. Additionally, while the iO Series 10 offers plenty of modes, it can feel overwhelming at first to figure out which one works best for your routine. So, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the iO Series 10 delivers exceptional cleaning power with its advanced plaque removal, and the pressure sensor adds a layer of protection for your gums. The personalized guidance and travel-friendly design are also huge pluses, making it a great choice for both home use and on the go. On the flip side, the price point is a bit higher than other models, which might make it less accessible for everyone. Additionally, the larger size could be a drawback for some users who prefer a more compact toothbrush. That said, if you're someone who values top-tier technology and performance, these are minor considerations. In terms of value for money, the Oral-B iO Series 10 definitely provides quality. You're paying for the latest tech in oral care, and it's clear that the company has prioritized both performance and user experience. If you're looking for a toothbrush that offers real-time feedback and advanced plaque removal, this model is well worth the investment. When compared to other electric toothbrushes, like the Philips Sonicare series, the iO Series 10 stands out with its unique iO Sense guidance and more personalized settings. While other models may offer similar cleaning performance, the integration of real-time feedback on pressure and brushing time sets the iO apart as a more tailored solution for your oral health. As for the build quality, the materials are sturdy and feel premium. The charging travel case is a nice touch, ensuring that the toothbrush stays safe and charged while you're traveling. Plus, the battery life holds up well over several uses, so you won't find yourself constantly charging it. If customer support is something you prioritize, Oral-B has a solid reputation for addressing concerns and providing assistance when needed. The 30-day money-back guarantee also gives you peace of mind, knowing that you can return the product if it doesn't meet your expectations. Now, if you're considering alternatives, there are more affordable options available that still provide good performance, such as the Oral-B Pro 1000 or the Philips Sonicare Protective Clean series. These won't have the IO Series 10's advanced features, but they're solid choices for those on a budget. To sum up, the Oral-B IO Series 10 is a powerhouse toothbrush that delivers impressive results, especially when it comes to plaque removal and gum protection. Its personalized feedback and modern features make it a great choice for those willing to invest in their oral care routine. If you're someone who loves having tech-driven gadgets in their beauty arsenal, this is a great option for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used the Oral-B IO Series 10, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experience with it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.